Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Pinch chutki. Chutki bhar. Sift. Channa. Sift the flour finely before adding into the mixture. Break. Torna. She is breaking an egg into a ball. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Melt. Pighalna. The ice cream is melting. Peel. Chilna. Please peel a potato for cooking. Roll out. Pelna. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Spread. Helena, please spread some butter on the slice of bread. Fry. Talna. She is frying a fish for dinner. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop.